My man just threw a pickle flavored potato chip at my car.
Look, I hate to be the one to say it, but how you know that chip with pickle flavor?
Hungry, bro. Let's see. I ain't got no food, bro. Yo, who the fuck put Michael Jackson in the freezer?
Show him what you do real quick. Show him what you do real quick.
And have some Lucy O-O's. Oh yeah, one more thing.
Do you want your cranberry juice? Oh my god.
Going in the house.
It's going in the house. Look at that.
Oh, not the milk!
You got it.
This is how you know it's cold, dude. The fucking pole's shivering.
Bless you. Bless you. You good?
My favorite actor, Peter Griffin. Peter Griffin on the forklift. Do the laugh.
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Hey everybody! My sister's pregnant! I'm gonna be a dad!
Hey kids. Asking us to holy fuck.
What are you doing here?
Hi.
Please get out, I'm taking a shit.
BMW! Where your car at? Where your BMW at?
There go my BMW.
God, mother...
I bet they won't have. Wow, they have it.
Fuck champion.
You put a French fry and some ice cream, you will have a...
Is that lasagna?
Yeah, it's leftovers.
Do you mind if I get a bite?
10 girls that I would cheat on my girlfriend with.
What?
Number 1. No one.
Why'd you make that then?
Because I just wanted to show you how appreciative and loyal I am.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'd never do such a thing.
Mom, you still look the same. You still look good. Yeah. Oh my God. What the fuck you talking about, man? I used to get all the fat bitches. What you talking about, man? What?
Your ass back in the car.
Alright, y'all, check it out. I'm in Chicago, right? I pulled up to the bing. What the fuck?
I never knew this. My whole life, people told me water came from the ocean. The whole time, water grows from the ground. Look, click the link in the bio and follow me on SoundCloud.
I guarantee you one of these retards is gonna fall.
Right now, you and Deer. If you answer that question, I'll give you $100 right now. Okay. What's 5 times 5 minus 3?
5 times 5.
Yeah.
25.
Man, let me go, man. I got some people I rhyme with.
Fucking 6. Right?
You're right.
Yeah. Where's the 100?
It's right, man. It's wrong. It's wrong.
Do it!
Damn, this shit good as fuck, bro.
Oh, shit. Thanks for having me, Kim.
Absolutely, bro. Absolutely.
They don't want to see us win.
They do not.